and welcome to diving into Affinity. This is the first video of a new playlist that I'm creating for it. Let's install it. Just go to the official webpage. There you'll find the option Get Affinity. It's a free tool. You just have to sign up. You can use your Google account. We just confirm here. And once we've done that, just pick your system. For me, it's Windows. And for Windows, we have a drop down. I'm going to use Windows Intel AMD. And once you've done that, it will automatically download the file. For Windows, this should be right here, an MSIX file. Just double click it and then the installation will start. I've got it already installed, but the window looks like this. Just click on install, pick your folder to put it, and then you have the option to automatically start it. You have to wait a little bit. Loads basically as Photoshop, so it takes a couple of seconds, but now here we have it. So this should be the window that you can see, which is the welcome window. And this is where we're going to start in the next tutorial. But one more thing to add. I'm going to use obviously the English language in these tutorials. So I'm going to use the English version of Affinity as well. You can set the language right here on the web page, but this only changes the language for the website. So I can now set it here to Italian, and then everything looks different, even the button. But when you've downloaded it, you still have to set the language in Affinity itself. So setting it on the website has got nothing to do with what language your program is going to have. And this is how you can install Affinity. I hope you're with me in this playlist. We're going to explore this program step by step. Once again, it's free, so check it out. I'm going to link to the official download page and you can get it there at no cost. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.